Okay students, now let's do the numerical based on the connected motion. The one very basic question is, here the statement is the body of mass 10 kg is placed on a horizontal table. So let us draw this. This is a horizontal table, right? And like this is a table. And a mass of 10 kg, let I write it as m1 is equal to 10 kg, is placed on smooth horizontal table. It is connected to a string which passes over a frictionless pulley, right? It passes to a string, it is connected to a string and passes to a frictionless pulley and carries at other end a body of mass m2 and carries at another end a body of mass m2. m2 is 5 kg, right? What acceleration will be produced? Now we know that to find out the acceleration we have to write the equation of motion, right? And various forces which are acting over it. Now since this mass is pulling this mass of body, so it means acceleration is in this direction A. And the tension, we know that tension always acts away to the point where it has been applied. Since it has been applied to this mass, so tension will be directed upward. Since here the mass is here, we have to apply tension away from this body, so tension T is in this direction, right? Now while writing the various forces to this point, we will write, since it is going downward, we will write m2g minus T is equal to m2a. And for this equation, since the body is same and there is not another force acting over it, so acceleration produced in this box will be the acceleration produced this one. So in that case, since there is no other force, so it means this T is equal to m1a, right? So if we add these two, we'll get m2g is equal to m1 plus m2 into a, or we get A is equal to m2g divided by m1 plus m2. Now what is m2? m2 is 5 kg. So 5 into 9.8, you can put the value, upon 5 plus 10 is 15. So we can solve it and find the value of acceleration from here. Now to find out T tension, the value of acceleration from this can be put in this equation and we can easily get the value of tension. Here one shortcut method is there to find out the acceleration. We know that acceleration is equal to force upon mass, so we write force net upon net mass on acting over the system, net. Since the force here is only 5 kg, right? Because due to this force only the acceleration occur in this weight and in this mass also, so force net is 5 kg, 5 Newton, right? So 5 G, and the total mass is m2 plus m1. This is m2 plus m1. Again you can see here the same expression occurs. So we can get the value of acceleration by this shortcut method also. So this is how we can get the value of tension as well as acceleration to find in a connected motion.